Yo, peace and love, everybody. We are back again with another sneaker review. I was gifted another sneaker today to do a review for. This pair came from Hypekick 1, yes. And we're going to go ahead and unbox them, do some on feet. But before we do that, you know I have to thank each and every one of you guys. New subscriber, existing subscriber, it does not matter. I love you guys. Follow me on IG, but let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I had a lot of trouble opening this box. It was a mess. I don't know. I didn't want to destroy the white box because I think I might use it again to ship some giveaways out, but it was a pain getting this out of this box. It literally took me like 10 extra minutes to film this. Look, this is just painful. But anyway, guys, I love you guys. We have the Yeezy 700 minivans today is what they're calling them on the streets. The black on black pair is my favorite pair. They're pretty much a do-it-all shoe. You can wear them all day long, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. We have the box that says 700. I don't know how authentic this box would be, but it looks good to me. It actually has MNVN on it, which I think stands for minivan. Some people laughed at me about that, but that's what I heard, and I think it's a cool name because these shoes, I love them. Like, I put them on, I thought they were ugly, and I didn't really like the upper in the beginning, but once I put them on my feet, I fell in love with them. But there's one thing I really hate about them is the box. Like, the box was giving me so much crap. Look at this. Like, I have never had a box of any sneaker in my life give me this trouble. I don't know how. I don't know if it's the wrong size. I'm not sure, but it took so long, and it's catching me off guard too. Like, I'm not planning to have to go through this. Like, I almost gave up. But eventually, somehow, I kind of just squeeze it and wiggle it out of there. But man, I don't know if that's a pro or con, but the box was a... Like, look at this. I'm still actually fighting to get the shoes out of the box. But anyway, let's look at some of the accessories. You know I don't like. You know what? Let's not even do that. You know I don't like the StockX stuff. But guess what? Closing the box was also a challenge. Look at that. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Be cautious, guys. All right. Here's the scanning tag that's supposed to probably be on the shoe. I guess we don't need that. And yeah, you know those things. All right, here's the shoe, pretty much. I don't know if this is close to the quote-unquote retail or not. I was just gifted this shoe. They say, hey, do one of your lovely reviews for us, Mr. Cola Culture. And I said, yes, give them to me. But look at the glue stains. And I'm noticing a pattern with black on black shoes or stealth type shoes with gluing issues, like the Fog 1s and the black on black colorway, same type of thing. But with this shoe, again, it is the minivan. It's not supposed to be pretty. It's supposed to give you all day comfort. And the sole from the, I guess that's the midsole is what they call it. The midsole is an exact replica of the original 700, which I'll compare these to a retail pair here in a little bit. So here's a good look. I'm not gonna stay in the observation room too long. I know it gets a little boring in here sometimes, a little cool, but a little close up here. The 700, that little patch right there in the toe box, it's all reflector, and you guys know I'm not too huge on the reflector thing. It's a nice effect, but I'm not. The only shoe I like to have reflector is the Flint 13, which I don't have, so somebody gift those to me. But anyway, that's a little heel plate to kind of keep the shoe together. It was not very thick at all, like it is like on a Kobe 5. But that's the bottom. Like, I love a nice stealth sneaker. You can never go wrong with one. And look at this little doohickey right here. This little contraption of some type of lace lock. Like, that's what it looks like when that thing's not over there. Look at that. Like, and I seen this on another Yeezy that's coming out, one of the 350s, the Azraels with the gum bottoms with the black upper. They're like that as well. But look at the shoe. Like, to me, it's ugly. And when I first seen this design, I was like, why did they do that to the laces? But I'm telling you guys, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. Has a nice, thick, poofy tongue. You're going to love it. Let's go ahead and pull the insole out really quick. This is what you get. Nothing too fancy. What are those little marks right there? Always wonder what that is. Flipping it around. I mean, this goes back to the original 350, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, nothing too fancy there. Go ahead and look at the boost as best you can. Look at the nipples. Look at the nipples. And with the lacing system, these things don't loosen up. They look like they do, but they don't. And I'm sitting here trying to fight with it, and I lost. So let's just go ahead and get right into the black light. Okay, so I didn't really find anything here. I mean, the shoe's black on black, so you're not going to find any like white stitching or any imperfections that way. I mean, you can look at the boost. I mean, look at that. That looks pretty cool, but that's all I could find. But I promised I'd blacklight every shoe I could remember to blacklight. So we got our minivan to the left, and we have our OG Wave Runner to the right. This is a retail pair I got on the second re-release when they came back out in 2000 whatever. Here's the toe boxes. Not many similarities. The lacing system's a little lower, but the overall shape is pretty much the same. The retail toe box is done a little better with the little black rubber toe cap. See that? Looks like a different grade of black on the Wave Runner. And you got the back there. Wave Runner looks a little healthier back there. And the minivan is a lighter sneaker than that, but just kind of look at the details there. My favorite is still the Wave Runner. I mean, that started all for me. Look at the bottoms are virtually the same. Only the color of the black bottom. Overall shape, it's close, but you know, this is like the OG versus like the newer little brother. But anyway, let's go ahead and just let's get into the on-foot shots, whatever you want to call them. And please subscribe. Feel free to subscribe. So the minivans, of course, they're good driving shoes. You know, you got to go to the store, maybe to your local Walmart or something like that. And the minivan, dude, I'm telling you, they're so freaking comfortable. They just make you want to like run errands all freaking day and like be responsible, and you don't care about your shoes getting dirty. You throw them on, you don't have no laces to tie, and you just go. Like, I've been wearing these for the past 2 or 3 days, and I'm on go mode right now. Like, look, I'm taking walks. You can take walks in these things with white pants on. It doesn't even matter. You can go to the freaking playground if you wanted to and play in these things. They are indestructible. They are almost more comfortable than the original 700, I would even say. This is my go-to shoe right now, or at least for the next couple days. See, you can go down slides in these things. They're perfect. I mean, you can get them dirty. You can like, I don't think they're waterproof. I heard they're waterproof, but I don't think they're waterproof. You can like reverse kick up dirt if you needed to. Like, they even have special powers. Look at this. What other shoe can you do this in? I don't know. You tell me. You know? But you can even go to like a photo shootout. I mean, look at this wall. I love this place. I use this place so many times. I mean, you can jog in these things. They could be used for athletical purposes. You can play basketball, you know, get a couple pictures in real quick while you're here. You know what I'm saying? I might have to drop a couple of these on the gram. You know, follow me on the gram, by the way, at Color Culture. And last but not least, these are probably the best drone flying shoes. You'll be able to keep your balance. You'll never lose the drone. Your shoes are already in stealth. And if you guys want me to drop a link to the drone I'm always using, I will put that in the description. Somebody request it, and I'll drop it down into the description bar below. But that's all I really got, guys. I mean, the shoe's black on black, so there's really not too much style with it. You can wear this. You can wear them with anything. I'm wearing them with white pants because I've never wore these pants. These pants came from Fashion Nova, I believe. So shout out to Fashion Nova. They didn't hook me up. I bought them way back and figured now's a good time to pick them up. Hoodie by Westside Gun and the Griselda team out there in Buffalo, New York. Shout out to them. But as always, guys, it's been real. You know I love your company. You know I really appreciate the clicks. I appreciate all the comments down below. I appreciate all the IG comments. And I really love when you guys pull up to the Sunday lives. Like, we're really making waves there. I'm going to talk about the giveaway for the Chunkies a little bit more there. So just hang in with me. I got more shoes to give away. I got more sneakers that I'm being gifted to do these wonderful reviews for you wonderful subscribers and followers. I don't even really look at you as followers. You guys are more like supporters. You guys are more like my family. So peace, love, and light. One love and all that good, warm, fuzzy stuff. Thumbs up the video. Until the next time. Peace.